Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to deposit money into your Bybit account. So let us jump into it. The first thing you want to do is go over now to your logged in account. And you need to make sure that you are verified. So if you go up to your profile picture, there will be no question mark over your profile picture. So you're going to go over to the left hand side to the buy crypto, and here you are going to tap on fiat deposit if you would like to deposit from a bank account. Alternatively, if you would like to deposit crypto from another wallet, you can tap on the crypto deposit. But for now, we're going to go into the fiat deposit. The first thing is the currency. As you can see, if I tap on a currency, let's say the British pound, I can do an easy bank payment, an ADV cash wallet, or an FPS service. However, I don't use any of those services, and the currency that I'm using is not the British pound. So what we're going to look for is the currency that I am currently using, and then you want to enter in your amount, and it'll give you the list of payment options. Now this depends on what country you're in. It will also depend on what currency you are using. Once you're done, you're going to tap on continue, and you will then put in your bank details such as your card number, the card holder, and your CVC, which is the 3-digit code on the back of your bank card. And there you go. You can then deposit this money into your Bybit account. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers.